Hi everyone, welcome back to hanacrochetdesign. It's Eva, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to make these crochet flower earrings. In the first video that I posted a few weeks ago, I show you how to make a flower earrings using one strand of embroidery thread. If you have not watched the video, you can click the link in the description box below, or you can click the link on the top right corner here. Let's talk about the tools and materials. I'm using these round seed beads from Toho. It's a Japan brand. And I also use this 4mm Swarovski crystal. And you will also need a gold wire jewelry. This is a 30 gauge size wire. And also I'm using this gold filled ear hoop. That's all for the tools and materials. And before we get started, you need to prepare 8 crochet flowers for a pair of earrings. Take your gold jewelry wire and cut it about 20 centimeters long. And prepare your gold filled ear hoop. And we're gonna start to wrap the ear hoop with a wire from the top. I'm gonna wrap about 10 to 12 times, and if you see there's a gap in between wire, you can push it gently with your fingers. And next I'm going to insert this 4mm Swarovski crystal. Then after that I'm gonna wrap the wire again about 7 to 10 times. Then again I'm gonna push the wire with my finger to make it tight. Then I insert my crochet flowers and then followed by the seed beads. I use Toho seed beads. This is a Japan brand. They have different sizes for this, and I'm using the smallest one, I believe. Then insert the wire back through the flower. Then we're going to wrap the wire again. I'm gonna wrap about 10 times. Well, basically you just want to have a space in between flowers and your beads. As you can see, there's a gap in between wire here, so I'm gonna push gently with my finger. And then next I'm going to insert another 4mm Swarovski beads. Alright, so this is how it looks like so far. Take another crochet flower and then take another seed beads, and you're going to insert your wire through the flower. I'm gonna pull the wire tightly and we're gonna start to wrap again. So you're just gonna repeat the steps until you have 4 crochet flowers on the hoop. I don't have enough wire here, so I'm gonna cut the excess wire. Then after that I'm going to wrap the new wires as close as possible to the previous wire. Alright, I'm gonna insert the last crochet flower Then I'm gonna insert my gold seed beads, insert the wire through the flower, and then I'm going to pull it tightly, and we're going to start to wrap again. And lastly, I'm gonna insert another 4mm Swarovski beads, and then we're going to wrap the wire about 10 times. Then after that, I'm going to cut the excess wire. Alright, so this is how the crochet earrings looks like. I actually take a further steps and make this dangling part for these crochet earrings. If you would like to learn how to crochet this flower, I have the tutorial available in my Etsy shop. Or you can also check out my Skillshare. If you sign up using my link, you're gonna get 1 free month of Skillshare premium membership. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. If you're interested to learn more about micro crochet, you can check out my Etsy shop. I have lots of tutorial over there, and some of the new patterns come with the video tutorial. So there will be a demonstration from how to crochet the flowers and how to put the earrings together. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Bye!